of the day. Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. Today's word of the day is sophisticated, meaning having a wide and refined knowledge of the world, especially from personal experience. I'm repeating. Word of the day is sophisticated, meaning having a wide and refined knowledge of the world, especially from personal experience. Let's have a brief detail of this word. Sophisticated. Today's word is sophisticated. Let's have a look at the synonyms of this word. The synonyms of this word are smart, worldly wise, complicated, experienced, advanced, refined, mature and knowing. Meaning sophisticated के जो synonyms है, it means smart, a person who is smart and having the knowledge of worldwide, or the things which is complicated, and the person who is actually experienced, mature and having the knowledge. Right? So let's have the look at the examples of this word. Sam is a smart and sophisticated young man. Sam is a smart and sophisticated young man. Meaning Sam एक smart और एक sophisticated meaning mature और experienced man है. Next, I never like to read sophisticated novels. I never like to read sophisticated novels. Meaning, मुझे कभी भी sophisticated novels पढ़ना अच्छा नहीं लगता. So, आप इसको ये कह सकते हैं, refined novels पढ़ना मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता. जैसे that is the refined and complicated, you can put the words in place of this sophisticated novels. Next, Mr. Smith is a sophisticated world traveler. Mr. Smith is a sophisticated world traveler. Meaning, Mr. Smith जो है उनको experience है world traveling का. So he is experienced world traveler. Next, marketing techniques are becoming increasingly sophisticated. Marketing techniques are becoming increasingly sophisticated. Meaning, marketing की जो techniques है वो advance होती जा रही है. So here you can say like marketing techniques are becoming increasingly sophisticated means advance होती जा रही है. So I hope you all got to know the meaning and synonyms and examples of this word sophisticated, and you all are going to make many sentences with the help of this word. Thank you so much. Subscribe our channel to get more educational video. Thank you for watching.